8 dead in southern Pakistan after rocket launcher shell accidentally explodes in village. At least 8 people have died after a rocket launcher shell accidentally exploded at a home near a remote village in southern Pakistan. The shell, which was possibly found in an open field and taken to a residence, exploded in Kandhkot, a city used as a hideout for well-armed robbers and criminals. Blasts from rocket shells often occur when people try to dismantle unexploded ammunition to sell scrap metal. The incident took place in southern Sindh province, and at least 2 people were also wounded in the blast. Thanks for watching.